If you've ever shrugged off a use-by date or left food out for just a bit too long, it's time to rethink your habits. Every year, millions suffer from the consequences of improper food handling. From severe nausea to life-threatening conditions like brain damage, the risks are real and alarming. It starts with small mistakes, not washing hands, mixing cooked and raw meats, or ignoring those critical storage instructions. But here's the kicker. These aren't just oops moments. They can lead to bacterial outbreaks or cross-contamination, turning a meal into a medical emergency. The solution? Vigilance. Always cook foods to the right temperatures, keep your kitchen surfaces sanitized, and never take shortcuts with expiration dates. Because when it comes to food safety, what you don't know, or worse, what you ignore, can indeed hurt you. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep those you care about safe too.